Hello everyone and welcome. Now in this video we're going to be looking at how to change from a business account to a personal account on Pinterest. Let's say because when you first open an account, it's most times to be a personal account, then you say change to a business account, and let's say you want to change back to a personal account. How do you do it? It's quite simple. From the home menu here, you click on your profile. At the top right corner, you can see it here. Then you click on edit profile. Then you click on account management, and then you can see convert account to business account. So just click on convert. So you no longer have access to business tools. So you no longer have access to business tools or other data. So just click on convert account and then follow the process. So right now I can't have a business account. If I don't need access, I can actually convert to a personal account for easy access to my home field. But I'll still be able to access publishing tools, but I'll not be able to access area up there. So if I want to continue, I can convert account and follow the prompt. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching. So back to a personal account.